In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and create call tags. By using the call tags feature, you can automatically make filtering calls by its type and gain insights on the types of calls you receive much easier. Call tags make it easy to find types of calls, such as sales inquiries, scheduling requests, or urgent needs, and help you identify which call types are most common. When you navigate to your home screen, you'll be able to see how many calls were tagged with each type. This means you can easily view the number of calls by each tag. In your call logs, you can click on the filtering option and then filter by the various tags available. If a tag doesn't suit a call, you can easily remove it. To create tags, head over to the settings on the left-hand side and select Tags. You'll find tags that we've already added to your account, which you can toggle on or off as needed. To create a new tag, simply click on Add Tag. Give it a name that describes the type of call. For this example, let's create a tag called Customer Complaint. Choose a color you want to use to flag it, and then provide a description so that your AI knows how to appropriately tag each call. After adding the description, click on Create Tag. Now, all future calls meeting the criteria will be tagged with your new call tag. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.